Grounding is crucial for communication equipment. It ensures proper operation, safety, and electromagnetic compatibility, also known as EMC. Grounding provides a low-impedance path for electrical current. This protects devices from overvoltage transients and potential hazards. In certain situations, isolating the communication ground from the electrical ground is recommended. This isolation is particularly relevant when ground loops are a concern. Electrical ground systems can introduce unwanted ground loops. These loops can cause noise, interference, and system instability. Isolating the communication ground helps prevent these issues. Different types of metal used in electrical and communication systems can also create problems. Dissimilar metal connections can lead to galvanic corrosion and ground loops. Isolating the grounds minimizes these effects. Lightning protection is another important consideration. Lightning can cause high current surges that can damage communication equipment. Isolating the ground provides a dedicated path for lightning currents. This prevents them from entering the electrical system. When implementing ground isolation, it's important to follow best practices. Firstly, use isolated ground bars for the communication equipment. These bars should be physically separated from the electrical ground bars. Secondly, connect the isolated ground bars to multiple ground rods driven into the earth. Multiple rods increase the surface area for grounding. This improves the overall impedance. Thirdly, install surge protectors on all communication lines entering the equipment. This helps divert lightning and other transient surges to the isolated ground. Fourthly, regularly test the grounding system. This ensures its integrity and proper impedance. You can use a ground resistance tester for this purpose. In summary, isolating the communication ground from the electrical ground can be beneficial. This is especially true when ground loops, dissimilar metal connections, and lightning protection are concerns. It is important to consider any challenges associated with establishing a good ground in the specific environment. Take appropriate measures to ensure proper grounding. By following these recommendations, you can enhance the safety, reliability, and EMC of your communication equipment.